Well, here I am again. This time I've got a beautiful metallic copper. Hopefully you can see that. A nice dark teal. A light teal. A little bit of that blue from earlier, another pour. And a vibrant orange. Love this orange. And if I decide to use it, a little touch of black. And of course white. And that's what we're starting with on here, is a little white. And I'm gonna kick us off with a little bit of this beautiful metallic copper. And I'm kind of having a taste for puddle pours today, so that's what we're doing. Let's get some of this lovely, oh, you know what, I need a little silicone in each of these. Some of this teal working for us. A little touch of this blue that needs to be stirred. Not with that stick. Okay, a little touch of the blue. I don't want a lot, I just want a hint of it to show up. Orange and blue go really good together, so of course it's a good place to put it. Bring in another round of that gorgeous copper. It's going to be kind of the star of my show here, I hope. And the softer teal. Well, that's some colors now, isn't it? Y'all ignore me if I'm humming Christmas tunes. I just do that when I'm happy. Don't ask me what I'm happy about, but I am, and so, yeah. I'm a strange bird, I get it. I think we got too much orange, but we're fixing to tilt this sucker. and see what we get. Here we go. All right. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Lord help me, but that's pretty. I'm probably going to tilt it some more after I give it a little bit of a torch because it does have silicone. Looking at it, it might do some major transformation all on its own. I'm fixing to see. And this video is about to be over because my battery's going dead, so I'll try to put a picture on the cover of the video if I lose you guys. Thanks for watching though. Oh wow, look at this baby. I hope it manages to catch all of this because this is gorgeous. Now I've got to decide which direction I want to stretch. I love the way the black's interacting over here. It makes me want to put more black in it, but we're going to see if we can stretch this that direction a little bit. Yeah, pretty groovy. I love the way turquoise, orange, and any kind of brown, copper, something about them. It's an earthy thing. It's natural. It's the hippie in me. Can't help it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to my page, and if you like what you see and you want to keep seeing more of it, if you live locally in the Texarkana area, come out this weekend to the Mardi Gras celebration. We're having a parade, and it's downtown Texarkana. Come on out and look for my tent and buy some art. I price everything really reasonable. Love to see you there. Bye. Keep making art.